and welcome back to the channel. So today we are out to get the tires replaced on our Ertiga, and if you're wondering about the background here, this is in Bengaluru. We are in our hometown. While editing this video, I figured out that there has been an audio glitch and there's a lot of disturbance in the audio. So I thought I'll reshoot some parts of this, basically the intro and the closure. And most parts of this video has been masked with the music because the audio disturbance isn't very pleasant to hear or watch. So please bear with me. We'll be visiting the Bridgestone Select outlet today. We originally thought that we'll go with the Yokohama tires. However, after further deliberation, we decided to go with the Bridgestone. The stock tires that came with this vehicle was also Bridgestone, and we've had a great experience with them. Now the mileage on the current tires are about 35,000 kilometers, and Bridgestone tires are expected to give a mileage of approximately between 35,000 to 60,000 kilometers. However, depending upon the driving habits and road conditions, the mileage can vary. Now we are exactly at 35,000 kilometers mileage on the current tires. We'll get this checked at the showroom, and if we are advised to get them changed today, we'll get them changed immediately. All right. I just wanted to take you along with me through this experience, so stay tuned. Now back to the original clip. We are at Tire Park, Cherry Tire Park at Electronic City. They are one of the authorized Bridgestone tire dealers around this place. So let's get our tires changed. So quite a bit of a queue here for the tire replacement.
Indicator.
Huh?
Indicator.
Indicator alva?
It's almost bald.
It's almost bald. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Gone alva? It's gone. These tires have done 35,000 kilometers, and this is the indicator. It's almost gone. So, right time to get them changed. I just consulted with this person, and he just explained as to why we need to change it today. I was thinking that we can at least make another 5,000 kilometers on these tires, but it was a good decision to get them changed today. They also deal with Michelin and Yokohama and other tire brands, but this is the Bridgestone Select outlet. You already see there are 2 cars already waiting to get their tire replaced from here. So this is at Kodappa Nagarara of Electronic City. You can see the Electronic City flyover here. by 65 R15. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
So 3625. 36th week 25.
Okay. So fairly new tires because it's just the 36th week of 2025. So we are in the month of October now. So just a month old tire. ನಾಲ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ನಾಲ್ಕಾ? Okay. So you're just confirming that it's a fresh stock and it's just come today, and we have the 4 tires set here, and this will be replaced. So this will go on the car today. Sorry sir. us to go for a new nozzle for the new tire. So, Triton nozzle.
199.
So it's 199 rupees each. So let's see what's the final price they put on us. Change marsi adana. So they also deal with Goodyear tires. This one is the Goodyear one, and largely it is Bridgestone. Get the Bridgestone Select outlet. And this is also a Bridgestone 235 section, 235 by 65 rim 17.
Old nozzle.
Old nozzle. Okay. So usually it is believed that the nozzle has the same life as the tire rubber. So it's recommended to change.
New one.
Yeah, new nozzle now, please. Yep, so he's applying this kind of lubrication here so that the beading doesn't get damaged.
opposite tight ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
So 3 years non-conditional warranty, na?
Unconditional for 3 years. Manufacturing defect 5 years.
Okay.
Up to 60% tread wear, they'll give you a warranty.
Okay. We're just taking note of the serial numbers of the tire for warranty purposes. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So the tire installations have been completed. We're back on the wheels now. Let's go. Hello again. So you know the story thus far. We've got the tires replaced today, and we went with Bridgestone Sturdo. So the current mileage on the tires that we replaced were 35,000 kilometers. And even on my previous cars, I had to get my Bridgestone tires replaced around the same mileage. So as far as my experience goes with Bridgestone tires, the mileage on them is not more than 35,000 to 40,000 kilometers, at least in the driving conditions of India, and that I've driven thus far. Apart from that, as far as comfort and the noise levels are concerned, Bridgestone tires are really great, and I've had a great experience with them. But on the mileage part, it is what it is. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. In case you like my efforts, please consider subscribing to the channel, and do share your encouragement by hitting the like button. Until next time, this is HRG Rides signing off. Take care, guys.